The ability to very accurately express my idea is very important when I worked here.
I met a lot of cool people.
I don't usually work with a lot of talented, motivated people.
I studied business. Well, what use is this going to be to me when I can't really be of use to them?
So today we're hoping that they finish testing their projects, and then the rest of the day is going to be dedicated to their technical reports. And that is actually a really important part of their projects. They need to put all the documentation together and then really showcase and explain what they have accomplished throughout these 3 months. Okay guys, this is the last week of STEMbility. There's a lot to do, and we're gonna discuss right now what is it we expect from you for this last weekend. Now Alfonso is gonna go over the guidelines, what we show you guys during week 1 and week 2. But now we're in the last phase of those guidelines, okay? So Alfonso is gonna talk a little bit more about that.
Today is going to be your closure of your project until 11 o'clock max. You're going to just finish up anything you need to do. This is just finally debugging, exporting your projects, and just getting them ready for the camera for tomorrow. And then the rest of the day, we're going to have a short lunch, so 30 minutes max. We're just going to finish up the technical reports.
It's okay if you don't present this finished, like, great project. It's okay because it's supposed to be a work in progress, okay?
So basically, it's towards the end of the season. I feel hopeful, a little sad, and cheerful for them, mainly because they'll be heading out. So this whole season's gonna be wrapping up, and also just get to see what they're gonna present as a final project would be interesting to see.
Go.
Hi, my name is Ivan Aragoitia.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Venkatesh.
Together we are Karmic.
We get back by giving.
Now, we focused on building an app specifically for Android studios for the Android platform, just because we want to develop our skills and really showcase what we can bring to the table in that avenue.
So what is the main objective of our app?
It'll take you to the events. It'll tell you the organization, have a little picture. It'll tell you the event name and how far it is away. So let's say I wanted to volunteer, I wanted to work with the Red Cross because they're such a good organization that always giving back, and I know blood drives are a big thing with them. I would click on the event. It would take me to the screen, and on the screen again, organization name, the event name, and a list of requirements or what you're going to be doing at the event. As you can see, we have a little map, and in this map you'll be able to tell, okay, here's the location, and start mapping it to see how long it would take you to get there, if it's close enough if you want to do it. And then let's say I do want to volunteer, just click volunteer, and now it tells me, alright, here's your to-do list, you volunteered for this one. And then again, I can click on that event just in case I forgot what it was about and get the information again. And again, if you wanted to click on something else, you're able to. And go back, look at other events, and go from there.
Our app is to bring people out of their homes and help the community more, to reward them for their services. We have completed the app. We gotta still add some few features into the app, but other than that, our app is working. And right now, Ivan is gonna actually go out and meet more people and talk to them about the app and pitch our ideas, get as many downloads as possible. This whole thing provided me an opportunity to actually learn.
Overcoming these challenges, just because I don't think there's a way to know everything when it comes to coding and stuff like that. I think it's just something that you deal with on a day-to-day basis.
Something that I really wanted to learn, but I had no motivation to do it on myself. And since there's a deadline to complete a project, that really helped me out.
Hi everyone, my name is Tej.
I'm cute.
And together for the past 3 months, we've been working on this app called Fluid Savings. The point of this app is to help people realize their water usage and therefore help them save water. As most of you probably know, California is in a very severe drought right now, and we really need to save water. But a lot of people don't know how much water they're using either daily or even hourly. They just get that water bill at the end of the month. The objective of this app is to basically help people realize their water usage and therefore help them save water.
So here's how everything works for the fluid savings. On the mechanical part, here you see this is a monitor. Now I'm gonna run the whole code. And here's the picture we already prepared for the water meter. And the Raspberry Pi camera will take the picture of the water meter. And after it's been taken, see the tesseract now is running here.
We can use it on the iPhone or iOS application. So since we're a new user, it gives us two options, log in or register. Since we're a new user, we'll register. So on the register page, it asks us to provide our email. I'll provide a sample email and a sample password. So if we do everything correctly, it should give us a message saying that we are fully registered. So now that we are registered, we can go back to the home page. Now we click login. It should display the usage that we've gotten from the Raspberry Pi, and here we have it. We have 64 gallons like we've seen from the Raspberry Pi.
Okay. So far for the mechanical parts, we still doesn't have a case for the waterproof, and the battery for the Raspberry Pi still remains a problem for us to solve.
In terms of software, developing the iOS application, the user interface is very bare bones, and we need to add some more in order to make it, possible to publish to the App Store. However, for the database and the web server, that's fully set up, and the Raspberry Pi can communicate using the Wi-Fi dongle. And in terms of the OCR system, Tesseract might not be the best system, as it sometimes works for some water meters and it doesn't work for other water meters. So we still have to do some more research in terms of OCR.
You have to have the leadership to lead your own self.
We had a lot of ideas, but we didn't really know how to scale it down. So towards the end, we ended up, kind of scaling it down and making it more realistic.
Also, a huge shout out to the STEMbility for providing us this opportunity. It's been a great 10 weeks working with the crew. They're amazing people. You should always stop by, say hi to them. I'm pretty sure you'll always feel welcome over here.